What's up, guys? Just wanted to talk about the latest VBAY listings. So got a couple of cars that we posted today and some other parts. Obviously, I'm not in my office right now. I'm in my truck and didn't have time to do this at my office, so I said I'm gonna bring it with me. I'm waiting for my daughter to finish with karate, but we're gonna jump in and talk about these cars that are up on the Viper VBAY site. So we got a super clean Tyco 440 X2. This does have a wide gap arm in it. You can see it has a wide gap factory arm, ceramic mags. I mean, it's a bone stock car. Really clean body. It is missing the windshield, but a lot of this stuff is either from racer buyouts or just other accumulation. But I test everything. I make sure everything works properly before it goes on the site. It's all oiled, cleaned. I track tested it. Pretty cool setup. Starting bid is $1, so you can't beat that. It's $1. This auction's running until until Sunday, I believe 6:30 Mountain Time. So that'll be 5:30 Pacific Time, 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern Time for this guy. So I'm guessing, you know, if it goes for 20, 25 bucks, that's going to be a pretty good deal for somebody. Really clean car. Obviously, you know, it's got original tires on it and stuff like that. So if you want to run it stock, you can, or you can pop while you're on the site, grab some silicone tires for it, extra shoes, whatever you got. So, or whatever we got. I mean, we're trying to hook it up, hopefully give someone a really, really killer deal for it. The other car that we have listed is a Super G Plus, so Tomy Super G Plus car. Really clean one. This is the black chassis, has the has the black poly mags. This one also was track tested. The tires are, I mean, they're about as good of a shape that they could be in for being as old as they are, probably 25-ish years old, maybe a little bit older on this one. But this car was track tested. As you guys know, we have zillions of parts for these things. Everything, you know, we have everything. You can snap the clip on there, run formula body, run wide, you know, hard bodies. You also can use the Viper clip for Tyco bodies and for lifelike bodies on this. So if you wanted to put either of those bodies on there, you could do that too. Same thing, $1 starting bid. Ends on Sunday, same times, 6:30 Mountain Time. And, you know, all kinds of upgrades for that one, or just run it stock. I mean, this is bone stock. It's not, the chassis is not broke, none of that on this one. So it is a good, solid Super G Plus. Next up, we have some sponge tire setups. So this is a 452 setup right here. Setup for a Super G Plus, so it's the stock Super G Plus rear axle setup, and it has some wide sponge. Obviously these, you know, they're the same age as the car, so they are used, but they're in really, really good condition. Still got, let's see if you guys can even get that on there. Still got a lot of life left in them. The gear's good. I made sure all of that stuff was good. It actually had a bad gear and I swapped that out, but $1 starting bid on that one too. That also ends on Sunday evening. We have a couple of those setups. That one, I believe those were Sluggo tires. And this setup here, this one is also Super G Plus, but this has the gray gear, so Nylotron gear, and it has BSRT AST sponge tires. Guys love these things. They still are really good condition, nice and squishy. Definitely be making your Super G Plus fly. So same deal, $1 bid. And the last car that we posted today is a Tyco wide pan. So it is a old funny car. It's actually in really, really good condition. The body's in great condition. Has all of the details, but wide pan, black chassis, bone stock. I made sure it ran around the track too, so and it does. It's totally fine. As with the other cars, it could use some, new tires if you wanted to upgrade it, or if you wanted to keep it stock. I'm not sure if these are the original tires that are on it, but same deal, dollar starting bid. So yeah, all that stuff, dollar bid. We got other stuff on there too that's been on there, and we're going to continue to add stuff. I mean, this is really like, I come across lots of cars and do horse trading and stuff all the time with guys, so I have a lot of, this kind of stuff. And because of that, let me flip that one around there. Because of that, that's why we did this setup. The VBAY auction setup is amazing. It's really, really cool. I mean, it gives you guys the comfort of shopping the Viper site with the auction setup. I am being very, very strict. If we have people that go in there and bid stuff up and then don't buy stuff, they are going to be banned immediately. And I don't want that on there. I want it to be a good, solid, fair space for guys to buy really good used stuff. And I might even host other sellers on there. So if you are a seller and you'd like to discuss that, you can reach out to us, support@viperscaleRacing.com. We can go from there. But this video, if you're just tuning in, we have these cars and some rear end setups that are listed on the VBAY site, which is on the hosted by Viper Scale Racing. It is our version of eBay, so it's bidding. You can set your high bid, do all of that kind of stuff. And it will up your bid for you up until your limit. And it's a really, really cool thing. And it's all on the Viper site. So we appreciate you guys. We couldn't do it without you. And all of the work that we put into it, we do it because we get such amazing support from you guys. So go check it out. It's on there right now. Dollar bid. And we'll see you later. Have a good weekend. Actually, it's not even close to the weekend. It's hump day. Have a good Wednesday. And hopefully we will be live again sometime tomorrow when we're back at the shop. We'll see you.